Hey guys, welcome back to my tarot reading channel. This is Nesara Gowda. If you are new here, consider subscribing my channel. Here I'll be uploading videos on pick a card, and the questions will be interesting too. Today's pick a card video special is how they what they say about you with their friends. It can be your friend, your boyfriend, your sister, your brother. If you are curious to know what do they say about you with their friends, I'll reveal it. Okay, there are 4 options given to you. You can select any one. You can also pause the video and select any one. Take time, use your intuition, and I'll tell you what do they say about you with their friends. Okay, you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. Okay, straight away we'll go to the option 1. Hey guys, all those choose the option 1. So your reading is here. What they feel about you when they're around with their friends. What do they say about you? This is going to be very interesting, trust me. You're getting okay. They say about you random things. I feel like that while shuffling. I got the sense like they tell a lot about you with their friends, like random things. They don't actually go deeply, like stuff like that. They actually tell random things about you. Okay, let us see what do they say about you. Okay, with the 3 of Cups, they enjoy being around you. They love being around you. They say that this person loves going to party. They say that I love to go party with this person. This person is very crazy when it comes to party, getting together with friends. This person is so amazing. They know how to communicate with the people. They actually mingle very soon. They actually open up, and yeah, I would love being around this person because I don't know. I spend my time with happy. The ending will be very happy, and this person also love communicating and gathering with others, and I love that. And they also feel like you. They also say about with their friends like this is like they feel lucky when they're around you, or they feel like safe around you. They feel very safe when they are around you. They also say with their friends that I feel very safe. I feel like I have everything when this person is around me. There is nothing lacking with us when I'm with that person. That person has a lot of ideas. They think very creatively. They make plans, and they also I also feel safe when I'm around this person. Yeah, they also say that when they're around you, they feel safe. Yeah, you are being very interesting to them, and that is what they love the most about you. You are being very social, and you actually, what the thing is, this person, they also say that you make them communicate with others whenever they are in the social, means partying and all. You introduce them to other person. It can be your friends, or random people like whom you know in your life. You introduce to them, and you make them to know you guys better, and you always care for them. And with the King of Cups, I can see that you show emotions towards them, you show love towards them. And they say with their friends, okay, you care a lot, and you being so emotional, and yeah, they say that you love them. Is that so? Okay, they feel like, they also say that they love you. They have love towards you. And they also say with their friends that I feel so comfortable when I'm around them. I feel like no one is I feel like I'm in a safe position, and whatever I wish, that is like, this person is like a lucky charm for me. They come with me whenever I go out. It can be a social gathering or a party. This person always come with me and they take care of me. They show love and affection towards me, and whatnot. Okay, we've got two cards. Okay. Um, they also say that I think you guys are together, like doing some project work together, or something. You both are in a same doing something together. It can be your college friend or a school friend, or it can be your partner in a work or a job partner. It can be like that. You both are doing some work together. You actually help them in the work environment also, and they say that with others. They say that they help me with my work also. They help me to progress in my work. It can be in project work also. They really care for me and they help me. Oh my god, you got Ace of Wands. They also say that you are very passionate about whatever you are doing. You do it with great interest. You come to them with a great love, getting those love, bringing all those love towards them. You care for them. I think you love them, and that they say about with their friends that this partner, this one loves me. But you haven't proposed yet, I guess. You love them. Actually, you love them, and they know that, and they say that you love them with their friends. Oh my god, this was so sweet. This is so sweet. You love them and they know that, and they also say with their friends that this person cares me a lot. This person is very passionate when it comes to work. Yeah, everywhere I got cups, so obviously that person knows that you love them. They say that with their friends also, that you love them. Yeah. You help them with their work and whatnot. You save them. They feel like a protection barrier when you are around them. This is so nice. This is so sweet. They tell all these things with their friends. So option A, that was your reading. If you guys like today's reading, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my very next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hey, all those option 2, whoever choose the option 2, your reading is here. What do they tell about you with their friends? Okay, you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. What do they say about you with their friends? Let us see. What do they okay, we got this. What do they say about you with their friends? Very first card, second card, and the third card. Okay, with the Two of Wands, I can say that they're a bit of confused when it comes to you. I think this person has a lot of option to select in their life, or they are too much concentrated about their career, or they also say that you are being confused. You're not choosing them directly. You're keeping secrets or act like a silent when you are around them. Okay, you don't actually choose them. When they say that with their friends, that this person actually don't come to me directly and speak to me, like that type of, like they act like they don't want to speak to me. They turn their back like this and stand towards me. I know that this person wants to speak to me, or not making the very first move. Why this person is being so silent? What they feel like they're hiding something from you. Maybe this person is, I think this is someone, your ex, or someone who had relationship before, or you propose this person and this person is ignoring you, and you say that with their friends, this person is ignoring me. Why showing back towards me? Why they act like they want to choose me before others? Acting too silent. They're keeping some secret with me. They say that they say with their friends that, like, you keep some secrets about them, or you are not expressing something with them. That is why you are showing back towards them. Is that making sense? Okay. And with the Knight of Cups, I can say that it can be them. They always offer you love, but you always reject it. You always show your back towards the love, whatever they bring towards you. You always show your back and act like I am busy, or making an you are like choosing an option. You have two options. You act like that. Whenever they offer love towards you, they come with love, come with bringing their heart towards you. Take my heart towards you. I mean to you. I mean take my heart. It is for you. They come carrying their heart. They offer you love, and you show them your back, and they feel like you're keeping a secret. You're keeping a secret, and they say that with their friends that they keep a secret, and they don't actually express what they love, or they actually don't express what is their decision. I always propose them, or I always go behind them, and that person acts like no this they show their back towards me. And yeah, they're very disappointed about you. Option 2, whoever you are, they're telling with their friends also. They're sharing their feelings with their friends. I always go behind them offering my love, and they always show their back, and they keep secrets, act like silent baby and matured silent person. Yeah, they actually don't share what they're up to, what is the result. They actually don't share it. Okay, with the Ace of Swords, we'll say. With the Ace of Swords, they also say that they always, like Ace of Swords, with Ace of Swords I can say that they're always ready for a challenge. They always, whenever they come towards you, they act like they have some work to do, or they show their back and go for a different work to do. And yeah, they act like they have something to do with their life, and they always ignore you, going for some new challenge, going towards a new work. They always, whenever I text them, they say they have something else to do, or they're always busy, and this is making you feel like move forward, leaving this person and moving forward sometimes. But also you also feel like, why shouldn't I have life with this person? Why can't I live with this person? They say that yeah, they say with their friends that whenever I go towards them offering my love, they show their back and act like they're keeping some secrets from me. And whenever I text them, and they'll say that I'm busy, I can't meet you right now, or I can't text you right now, or I can't call you back right now, I'm busy. They act like that, and they feel very bad about this. They feel like they always feel disappointed because of your behavior. And they also think two types, like they disappoint, but still they don't give up. They still want to have a better future, or they want to spend some time with you. They want to celebrate with you. They want to be around you. They want to spend some of at least their life with you. I think this person loves you, but you are rejecting. But why are you rejecting? Let us pull one more card for you. What else they say about, okay, the Hermit. They also say that you are keeping secrets. You always go away, far away from them. You always act like you are going to learn something new, you always act like you always go away from, like magnet, those like poles always go far away, and the unlike poles attract. Okay, this is like they also say that whenever I go towards this person goes away from me, and they always want to be like alone, or not alone. They always act like they're busy doing some work, or busy doing some self work, or they're always busy with their work. Whenever I go towards them, they're always busy. I'm not able to express my love towards them, or they're not giving me the opportunity to express. Yeah, it is like that. That was all about the option 2. If you guys liked today's video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Hi my dear option 3 people, this reading is for you. What they tell about you with their friends. Okay, you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. Okay, we got the very first card. um, you got the Hangman. And okay, it's about to come. What else? Third card, we are looking for the third card. Okay, we got the third card also. Yeah, with these cards, they say that, okay, they say that you are being very patient. You have a very much options with them. They say that with their friends, they have a very much a broad option to select, but they're taking time, they're thinking a lot about their life. They feel like you are thinking a lot. You think a lot whenever someone offers you. It can be a love, it can be a career option, or it can be related to job or a new project work or a teamwork. They say that many, even you think a lot about it. While making the decision, you think a lot. You're being a very matured person. They say with their friends, like, you are a very much matured person. You always think broad, and you always act very much active, but you think a lot before taking a decision. Think a lot. You are being a very matured person. Yeah, I think this person, whoever it is, they have too much of options in their life to select. They are very mature. They act like a very matured. They say about you that you are being very matured. You act sometimes a very matured person. You take a very good decisions with your life. You don't actually fail while making the decisions about yourself. You make a very good decision. They say with their friends, like, you act a very matured person, and yeah, you're very good at making decisions for yourself, or it can be for someone else also. Okay, we got it. Okay, you are, yeah, that is what they say all about you, is you are being very matured person. You don't need anyone's help in your life. You think a lot before going for any decision in your life. And yeah, you have many options with you. It can be related to career, or it can be like someone proposed you. There are many who proposed you. Option 3, it can be like that. And whenever it comes to your life decision, your life goals, you think a lot about it, and you're strong from inside and from outside also. So there is no need that you have to ask someone else for the decision. You are very much goal oriented. They say this, all this with their friends. I don't know why do they say so much, like, oh my god, oh my god. We got four major arcanas. What is this all about? Option 3. Okay, whoever this person, about whoever you're asking is, you're not letting them into your life. That is what they're feeling. They have put some barrier. They don't come out of those barriers. They have put those barriers for themselves. They have some beliefs in their life, and they're not ready to come out of it. And you are telling this with your friends, like, this person is very matured, act very carefully, think very carefully, make a very good decisions, and they never come out of the barriers, their self-belief barriers. Right now they have many options with them. We have no any other choice, because this person is full of options. Okay, this person is full of options. I'm not sure that person will like me, like that type of situation. This person also like to be alone. Yeah, this person is an introvert, being like want to be alone always, and very matured act. They guide, yeah, they act like a very matured person when you are around them, and they're too much concentrated on their own. They are very much goal oriented. So option 3, whoever it is, you are trying to go inside this person's life, or to enter into this person's life, but they have some beliefs in them, so they have put up their own barrier to not go out of it. So they're not even expressing or sharing anything towards you. This is what you're telling with your friends. I always try to know about them, but this person actually don't express their feelings. They don't let me into their life, into their home also. Oh my god. It is like that. They don't even let me inside their home only. They don't whenever I try to sit beside them, and they don't like it. They have their own barriers. If they sit also, they don't speak to me. They don't even look at me sometimes. It is like that. They are very much, they like to be alone, and they're very much concentrated about their self development. um, yeah, their leader, they act like a leader of something, or they're very much concentrated to achieve their goals. So they're not letting anyone, or they have right now, they have many options, but they're not letting anyone in their life. It is like that. Okay, they're saying that with their friends, you are not letting them into their life. You act like you have so many options with you, and you also act like you have put up your own barriers. You don't even let them to sit beside you sometimes, and that is what very much they're being so much disappointed because of you. You're too much self-oriented. You have a goal to achieve in your life, so right now you're not letting anyone in your life. You're too much goal oriented. Okay, they act like that is all about the option 3. If you guys like today's video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care. Hey my dear option 4 people, whoever choose the option 4, your reading is here. What do they feel about you? What do they tell about you when they're around, when you are, when with their friends? Sorry, confused. Okay, we got so many good cards. Okay, the King of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands. Okay, with the Ace, 10 of Wands, Queen of Cups. Okay, they are very much goal oriented. They always act like doing some work. They sometimes offer me love. They actually they say that with their friends you offer them love, or you propose them. You have kept it in pending. It can be, it can be like that. Oh, it can be like that. You propose them, they are holding the proposal like in a pending. They actually because they're too much into their goals, making their coins, building up their coins. They're too much concentrated about their career. They always towards work. They love doing work. They also say that they too love me, but they don't say that they love me. They don't actually say me what is their opinion about my proposals. And they also know that they love you. You love them. They also know that you are always like doing some sort of new work or experimenting with your life, or you're always making coins or thinking of making coins. Oh my god. They also say with their friends like, you are going out of all those emotions for career. When it comes to career, you don't value emotions. They also say with their friends that you don't value all this love, all these emotionally attached relationships. When it comes to career, making money, you value a lot about money. Oh my god, they say that you are too much into work and you don't have any opinion about love. Oh my god, they say that with their friends, but they're offering you love. They always bring that cup, means they always offer you love. They always offer you love, but you are not at all interested. You are directly rejecting it. It is not like that you're not keeping it as a pending, but you're rejecting directly. Oh my god, you are too much into making money or making a good career. You're not at all interested in love, but this person wants to go out with you, or spend some time with you. They always come towards you, bringing that love, affection towards you. But they say with their friends like, I always go to them offering my love. I always I always care for them whenever we are together. It can be in a function, it can be in any social gathering, it can be anywhere. I go towards them, I share my champagne or I share my drinks. Like I give them love everywhere. I care about them. I always have my eye towards them. It can be anywhere. It can be, yeah, gathering or a workplace. I go towards them and I offer. It can be, it's like they see wherever we're together, they come to you, they attract towards you. Yeah, they say that with their friends, like I go to them offering my love, but they always go away from my they always go away from me. They act like not at all interested, that they're directly rejecting you and you are sharing. I mean, they yeah, it means like, yeah, they're saying with their friends like they are directly rejecting me. This is leading them, they tell with their friends like, I'm getting a very bad nightmares, like I am so much disappointed because of this person. I love them a lot, but they are going away from me always. They repel from me, and this is making me feel disappointed. Right now they are very sad with you, option 4, and they also feel like you are not sharing your feelings with them. They feel like you have love or some 0.5% of love towards them or a feeling towards them, but you are holding it for your own. Only for the, you have some reason in your life for holding this. It can be related to a work or education or anything, making money. You're concentrated more about your career. It can be like that. You're holding, they feel like you're holding your feelings towards for you, on yourself. So they're telling with their friends like, this person have feeling for me, I know that very well, but they're holding it for their career purpose. They are not expressing with it. With sometimes they also feel like you don't have feelings towards them at all. They're feeling so nervous here, so much confused, so much like disappointed. They're feeling very sad about your option 4 and they're sharing it with their friends. I love them, but they act like they don't want to love them. It is something like that. Okay, that is all for the option 4. If you guys like today's video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my very next video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. Bye bye, take care.